concerned about service provision. And we've made arrangements with the Army so that they can move in during this time. The Army are going to give us assistance. And there are also some other doctors who have decided that they will continue providing service. There is quite a sizable number in each and every institution, not as much as we would have wanted it to be. And so at the moment, the information I have is that we have some coverage in our hospitals. So we'll keep monitoring. I want to, as usual, encourage our workers to come back to work, be at work, while investigations are taking place. We are all looking forward to the support which we are getting from the security agents. It's very clear they want to give us as much assistance as possible. We want our doctor back, and that's straightforward.
Honorable Minister, how long will the Army be in the public hospitals? How long will the Army be in the public hospitals?
Well, the Army will be there to give assistance. They're always there, ready and waiting whenever we have a shortage of this kind. Muchipatara zvinezvi tine vashandi vashoma, asi takumbira kuti vemauto, uniform forces, police, prisons vauye vatibatsire muzvipatara zvedu, saka ndo vari kutibatsira nguva ino. Ende tinotendawo kune vamwe machiremba vashoma vanga vasarawo vachingobatsira, saka tinovakudza, tinoramba vachingokurudzira kuti varambe vachingobatsira.